Alright, we're back. Let's pull the roll motor out the rest of the way here now. I don't think we're going to be reusing this gasket. Could be wrong. I doubt it. Alright. This thing out of here. That's a bigger plug, this one. I'm going to pull this plug out again. Damn. Try this again. Yeah, okay. Let's see if this one's going to screw up everything again. That one came out like it's supposed to. Okay. So I'm going to pull all our studs out now so we can get them out of here. That's different size. This way. That's tight. Bigger tools. This is 7/16 up on the top here. 1/4 inch bolt. Knock out a few of these bolts here. There you go. Ooh, these things are in there tight. These are in there corroded, that's why. Damn. See, that's all corroded over here. This is what happens when you wash your bike a lot with water. A lot of corrosion. I hate water. Now that's going to fling everywhere if you throw a rag on it like that. It won't go very far. Otherwise it shoot across the room. One of the tricks you learn. Okay, here's a little short bolt, come right out. A little better, not quite as corroded. It's got a lot of sealer on it. No reason those things have sealer on it, they had to case the part at some point. As far as I know, that's never been done, but maybe it has been a part. I don't always know everything about these motors when they come in. Okay, we now have a leak on the other side over here. So I'm going to take another absorbent pad over here and lay it over there. Try to get this one here out. This one's in there pretty good too. Oh yeah, it's rusted in. go. That was definitely in there tight. Okay, so now we get our two bottom ones to do. Oh, I'm disappointed. See, instead of being full of water, it was full of oil. It didn't get rusted. That was easy. It takes all the fun out of it. How about this one? This one's tight. Yep. Not corroded, but tight. Which is good. They're supposed to be tight. Okay, so now I got to get our two little small bolts out that don't want to come out, because the zip gun ain't got no balls to it. This one does, and 1/2-inch adapter onto a non-zip gun socket. It's American made SK, good stuff. I replaced that here recently. I had to go on eBay and find one. Found the exact number is what I had from 40 years ago. Found a better one. Mine was worn out from too many years of zip guns. Still abuse it just like I did my old one. It works just like the old one did. Everything you're not supposed to do, I do. Okay, the bolts are out. Now I got to split the cases. So these have no dowels on these, so you knock them up and down a little bit. You also hit right here on the side with a hammer, not a steel one, but plastic. So I hit it right there. It already split the case. Okay, at this point the case is loose. See how it's moving? The oil's flowing. There's a lot of oil in there. And over that way a little bit. Lift the case off. Smell the good oil. I think we're going to need some more absorbent pad material. Let's see. Okay, so what do these look like? Look nice on the inside. They're all screwed up on the top where it counts. Crank looks nice and clean. Rods feel good. Let that drain a little bit. Yep. Everything looks good here except for the lack of threads in the cases. Except for that. Not sure what they did anything over there. The light's off. There you go. Definitely, that one's bad. Inside the case looks good. Flywheels obviously look nice. Everything over here looks nice. The breather hole's nice and clean. All good stuff. Looks like a good low mileage motor, except for somebody put the bolts in too tight and pulled all the threads out. That was all done by the mechanic. In proper installation. That one, the threads are all gone. So that one, they got some kind of a helicoil in there, I'm thinking. Not sure. Have to clean all this stuff up to figure that out. This hole is definitely not looking pretty. It's got some threads in there though. Maybe it'll, I don't think it'll take a helicoil. definitely bad. Don't know. We'll have to see. Customer would be tickled if I was able to save it. Those threads don't look too bad on that side. This side here looks horrible, but it might just be full of glue. We'll have to clean these up and figure it out. Either way, that's all screwed up over here now because I don't know what they did. They put a Loctite on it, galled it in, probably over torqued it into the taper. And I unscrewed it, just galled up. More issues. Alright. I'm going to go clean these up a little bit, and then I got to press out this crank. So that'll be in the hydraulic press over there. Oh, and it's only 12:30. Oh, it's early. Getting a fresh start on the day. Alright, used to be press cranks out before, so we'll just press it out and we'll come back and show you what it looks like here in a few minutes. Okay, got everything all cleaned up now. So these are the 3 studs that are pulled out. You can see how the threads came out with that one. That one was screwed up, and this one here looks like it's alright. The other end down there. So, crank all looks pretty good. Cases look really nice, except for the holes are all screwed up. So, after I blew all these holes out, got everything all cleaned out, you can see how the threads in there don't look too nice. So these might be able to be saved, who knows. Threads don't look at all very good. That one there is, looks like it's stock, but it's trying to strip, but it didn't yet. My guess is it's getting ready to. This one I don't know if it'll hold the helicoil anymore. It's, the threads are, look like there might be some threads there maybe. I think it's just full of goo right now. So I might be able to take that helicoil out and see how bad it is underneath it. Maybe you can save it. More than likely a helicoil is not going to come out very easily, but who knows. Oh, no wonder I thought they were in there wrong. See that tang sitting down at the bottom of the hole? They never put the helicoil in all the way correctly. That might be some of the issues they had, who knows. I had my suspect about that when I was blowing the holes out. They felt kind of soft. Yep. There's that tang sitting down there. They never broke it off. Wonderful. So this thread here looks like it's alright up here. So we could probably put another helicoil on top of that one. So this one's obviously gone. It needs to be helicoiled. So it's kind of a toss-up of ways to try to save these cases and make it fly or not. This is the worst hole, so like I said, it might be able to make it work. Don't know. It's going to be an expensive test, because if it fails, we will know after we put it together, after it's back in the bike, and then it'll have to be all redone again. So it's one of those deals. You're going to save the price of putting the cases in it, but you're going to pay half the price to fix them. Yeah, not half, but you'll pay a quarter of the price to fix them, and you're paying all the labor to put it back together again. So, how much do you want to risk? I'm not eating it for free. So, all this looks pretty good. So this is our good stud here. Look how the stud wobbles that comes in and out. That might be the hole. Yeah, that stud looks like it's bent. I wouldn't be surprised. Anyway, it's not the best, I don't think. These are good threads here. These threads aren't very good. Oh well, like I said, if you're doing the job yourself, you can risk it, but when you're paying to fix stuff, it's very expensive to do these let's see if it'll work type things. So this thread here is the questionable. The other ones I think will probably hold. This one It just looks pretty bad, but you have to run a helicoil in it, or a tap in there. First you gotta get the old helicoil out, put a new one in there, see how good it is. Then you put a long helicoil in, it goes full length, so you probably have to double them up, because you want the helicoil to go in all the way into the bottom. Catch all the threads, not just some of them. It'll probably work. But other than that, everything else in the motor looks good, so that's a plus. Except for the crappy ass cam in it. Everything is looks decent inside this motor. So, too bad someone put the case together wrong there and didn't know what the hell they were doing on putting the top end back on. Oh well. Alright, that's it for today on this one. It's now 1:30. Good hour of cleaning. What fun. The redness is going away off my hands pretty quickly. Yeah. Hour in the solvent. Alright, that's it for tonight.